Àwa ló wà lọ́wọ́ wa. At divide. We are separated. Ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ was strong. Igi kan ò lè dágbó ṣe. It needs many trees to come together. Many of us to come together in one agreement. What are we doing?
Thank you so much.
We have to realize that, look, the powers we're fighting is not carnal. Spiritualities and powers are real. Ó dẹ̀ need the body láti lò. Èèyàn ló máa gbé wọ̀. How can 15 people be in that house and not be able to talk?
Thank you so much.
Ìyá kan náà ló bí àwọn náà. Àwọn náà dẹ̀ tún máa fẹ́ yàwó, wọ́n tún máa fẹ́ ọmọ, wọ́n tún máa bímọ, wọ́n tún máa rẹ̀ nínú society tá à ń sọ yìí bàbá. You are for us. Ẹnìkan ilé ayé le ó gbó ẹni tó ń fìdí yín tó fi shelter fún yín tó ṣe ẹni mélòó ló lè ṣe irú nǹkan tọmọ yìí ṣe. This guy is too much. He is a spirit that we have to attend to be. Tí ìdébẹ̀ ibi tí Mohbad wà level ibi tó wà ṣe tí ń bọ́ ta ló lè bọ́ ẹlòmíì ní orí yín ó ń bọ́ 15 tí ìyá tí family mi bí ọ̀ọ́dẹ̀ lè sọ̀tọ̀. It's now up to the public to come together. We need to spread this story. Remind people of how it started. Ibi tá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n di bàbá lójú ni but ojú bàbá ti là. Bàbá no go gree for anybody. In this fight that we started, it's not just going to end on the internet. It's going to end on the streets. And you have to know that. Because àwọn tá à ń bájà, àwọn gan ò fẹ́ lose. So kí la máa ṣe? We have to come together. Speak the truth. Face the way. If you truly want good Nigeria. This thing is not just justice for Mohbad. It's justice. People are still being fined every day. But Mohbad kan ló fún wa ní evidence tá lè fi jà. Òun nìkan ni. Ẹlòmíì ó máa pa gbé. But Mohbad fẹ́ evidence sílẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ ní ká follow ọ̀nà yìí. Ó tún fi sínú orin tẹ́ bá ṣe ń gbọ́ ẹ̀yin gan rántí. And Baba, I'm so glad the way you raised your son. And I'm raising my son the way you raised Mohbad. I want him to be believe in himself, be able to conquer any other. Mohbad conquered a lot. He's a billionaire. He conquered everywhere. So it's not that if you are rich, tó bá lówó gan lè pẹ́. So Baba, ọ̀rọ̀ mi máa ń lọ gan because matter láti touch àwọn heart àwa tá à ń wòra wa. Àwa náà la máa spread. We are now the disciples that are going to spread this message of love, of truth, of look, I love you. Tó bá wẹ̀yìn èmi ló máa rí mo wà lẹ́yìn ẹ bí ike. Who is at your back? Who got your back right now? Baba, we got your back. And we're not going nowhere. Because Mohbad gan jẹ́ káwa gan sinmi.
Thank you, sir.
So, lead wa right. Eshegon. Thank you, Ishtok, for this opportunity. I'm so grateful. I could have gone on, Baba. Rankadede, thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Mr. The Duke. I want to say a big thank you. Please, we'll just add some couple of people because Baba needs to rest. I'm sure he has been attending to some couple of things even before now. So let's quickly make one minute to everybody. I still have some couple of people to bring up. We have loads of requests here, but if you are up, please 1 minute. Let's go straight to the point. Baba needs to rest. A big thank you to everybody. Mommy Bosumbola, over to you, ma.
Our Baba Mohbad. Good afternoon, sir. Well, I'm not asking any question from you. Everything I want to say to you today is God will grant us the justice we want. And as you see that I changed my name, that's the last, myself and my family. If one says they are not ready, I am ready to follow you to anywhere, any length to get justice for your son. What happened to that boy will be the last innocent person tí wọ́n máa ń tà sílẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà. Ó ti dópin. Wọn ò ní ṣerú ẹ̀ mú. He said it. Ó ní òun lè máa fi ṣe àṣemọ́. Òun ló dẹ̀ máa jẹ́ àṣemọ́. And I am praying to God today for strength from above. Ó ń súnyàn o last week èmi fún each time tó bá ti ń bá ṣìyìn ni ló máa fọ́ mi lórí but I don't know what to do. but tíyàn bá tẹ̀ tí mọ̀ nǹkan tíyàn fẹ́ ṣe èèyàn máa ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ lé ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run. I always pray for you, and I know the hosts of heaven, they will not back out on this case. They will continue to support you. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run bó ṣe ṣe ẹ̀yin nìkan yìí, níjọ́ tá a bá máa yayọ̀ ṣẹ́gun, gbogbo ogunlọ́gọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn ló máa jọ pẹ̀lú yín tí wọ́n máa yayọ̀ ṣẹ́gun ní agbára Ọlọ́run. Èmi ò ní question kankan o, ẹ ride on. We studiedly stay behind you. Tẹ́ bá ti wo ẹ̀yìn, ẹ láwọn ọmọ ogun sẹ́yìn, wọ́n pọ̀ bí ìbọn, ẹ fi wọ́n lẹ̀. Jẹ́rí gbogbo àwọn tó ń báṣì yín kiri yẹn, wọ́n sì máa fẹnu gbolẹ̀ nígbà tí ìkọ̀kan nu eléyìí tó bá ti da jù nínú àwọn ọmọ tó bá ti kú. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run, God is your strength and justice for ìmọ́lẹ̀. Lágbára. Mr. Muyiwa, I cite you, sir. Continue. Ẹ kú ìdámọ̀lẹ́bí. God will continue to strengthen you and Mr. Guresi. Kò lè ṣe ní ayé kó má kẹ́ nìkan mọ́ ni ẹni tó máa kù mọ́ ní láàmú. Ẹni tó kù mọ́ yín báyìí àwọn tó kù mọ́ yín òun là ń rí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí. Lágbára Ọlọ́run kò ní kọ̀ yín nìkan nínú ìrìn àjò ìgbàgbọ́, and heavenly hosts will continue to uphold you. Come for Baba Mohbad, you come for me, and I will come. Màá wá fún ẹ bárakàtà ní bó ṣe wà nìyẹn. Justice for Mohbad.
Baba, ẹ kú ọmọ ènìyàn ṣe. I want to quickly read this passage to you. You know it, but sometimes as a pastor, Ayoni, so many times when we are pastoring, we don't listen to those words. And I'm going to read it to you. Job 1, verse 6 says, "Now there was a day when the sons of God came to present themselves before the Lord, and Satan came also among them." 7 says, "And the Lord said unto Satan, Whence comest thou? Then Satan answered the Lord and said, From going to and fro in the heart, and from walking up down in it." 8 says, "And the Lord said unto Satan, Hast thou considered my servant Joseph?" Not Job now. "Hast thou considered my servant Joseph, that there is none like him in the earth? He has fed people, he has given people, he has pastored people. All the people that have problems, he has solved their problems for them. A perfect and upright man, one that feareth God and escheweth evil." Bàbá mi, mo mọ̀ yí pé ó yé yín gan gidigidi. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó yé yín gan. Ẹ wo gbogbo ohun tó ń jà nísìnyí. Ẹ wo gbogbo ohun tó ń jà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ẹ ti gbọ́ rí, ń tẹ́ ẹ ti gbọ́ rí ni. A ti rí àwọn àlùfáà míì tó lose ọmọ wọn, tó dẹ̀ gbé ọmọ, they put their child in their homes. They went to the church to pastor those people, to minister unto them. Yeah, it's going to go right now. It's going to go. You know I don't talk too much. Baba, just continue. Hold forth. Each talk. I love you so much. Bramuiwa, Biggie, my boyfriend, as they are saying it about. I cite you, my brother. God will be with you. Guresi, I heart you, my darling. Daddy, Ayonisa.
Good evening. Mi mọ bí tí mi bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, but máa ṣe díẹ̀ báyìí pé kí n má gba àkókò. Lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ẹ kú ìfọmọnìyàn ṣe. Mi tó gbàdúrà fún yín o, àmọ́ Ọlọ́run ti gbàdúrà fún yín. Let me say this in English. I'm not going to speak from my emotion at all. I just want to be real. I want to ask some question. I know that a lot of people have encouraged you enough, quite all right, and I will not neglect that. But I just want to ask some question. Mr. Muiwa, I recognize your presence. Each talk, I recognize your presence. Likewise, everyone as well. Thank you for coming up with this podium. Yeah, àkọ́kọ́ sà, ó ní pé ní àwùjọ àwọn tó ń kọrin, have you ever seen anyone coming to support you, or have you ever seen anyone in private? Ẹ má dárúkọ, just bóyá bí ẹ kàn lè sọ pé iye èèyàn báyìí lára àwọn tó ń kọrin, pé bóyá tó ti show pé yes, they need justice for Mohbad. Àkọ́kọ́ nìyẹn. His network is hanging. His network is lagging. Can we have Mr. Muiwa, please?
Continuing your question so that they will answer everything at the same time.
Okay, because I noticed that he's trying to talk, but the network is lagging. Okay, then secondly, which goes to some of the so-called influencer within the community or within Nigeria. Have we ever seen anyone that have come to show maybe interest or a support in justice for Mohbad with all what is going on? So that is the question. Then,
Okay, Prince, thank you so much. Prince, let's take those two questions. Let's answer them because of time. Let's take those two questions, please. Thank you so much, Prince. Mr. Muiwa, over to you. We have limited time, Mr. Muiwa. Thank you so much. Prince,
Okay.
we appreciate you. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. As at today, the family has not recorded anybody, any musician, whoever it might be, maybe in fact, the people that Mohbad did a lot of collabo with is so disheartening that at this moment, none of them,
none of the associates.
none
Wow.
has even come out to reach out to the family, to reach out to Baba. But at the appropriate time, we are going to address those things. What the family is standing on is for us to get justice for Mohbad first. After that, all other things will be looked into.
Okay. So I believe those two questions have been answered. So let me.
Thank you.
Prince.
Prince. I think we will take the question maybe the next time. Prince.
Goodness.
Thank you so much, Prince, for your understanding. Yeah, Mommy Be Good. Just 1 minute to you. 1 minute, Mommy Be Good. Over to you.
Hello, Baba Kalesa. Ọlọ́run á fún yín lókun àti agbára láti làjà. Ọlọ́run ò dẹ̀ ní já ẹnì kankan gbàánú wa láti parí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Èmi ò really ní question láti béèrè. Nǹkan tí mo kàn fẹ́ sọ ni pé kí ẹ máa wo gbogbo àyíká yín, irú àwọn èèyàn tó wà pẹ̀lú yín. Ọlọ́run ò ní fi yín fáráyé mú. Ọlọ́run ò ní fi yín fáráyé mú. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan kan tí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ máa ṣe, bó jẹ́ lágo méjìlá ni lóru, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ máa bá ìṣẹ̀dá ọmọ yín sọ̀rọ̀, kó máa dìde. Gbogbo àwọn tó fi nǹkan tí kò ń ṣe tiẹ̀ tó fi gba ẹ̀mí ẹ̀, kó má fún wọn nísinmi. Gbogbo àwọn tó bá dẹ̀ jókòó níjókòó pé kí ẹ̀yin gangan kẹ́ ẹ má nísinmi, kó máa yọ wọ́n lẹ́nu. Kẹ́ máa bá ìṣẹ̀dá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ lóòrèkóòrè, kó má sùn, kó ja ìjà yìí, kó bá yín jà délẹ̀ ní pátápátá. Tẹ́ fi máa rí ojú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀. Gbogbo ibi tó di àti ibi tó di rọ́ọ̀sì àti ibi tó di gbogbo ẹ̀ sí kó tú síta. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ nìyẹn. Ọlọ́run á fún yín lókun àtàgbára sà.
Thank you so much, Mommy Be Good, for that wonderful one. Ladies and gentlemen, we have in the building our one and only, our very own Oloriebi one and only Mr. Latif is in the building. Let us appreciate him. Thank you so much, Oloriabi, for joining. We really appreciate you. Over to you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Ẹ kálẹ́ bàbá. Mo kí yín, ẹ kú ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ. Ojú òní tì yín. Ọlọ́run ní dá yín lẹ́bi lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ní jẹ̀bi lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára Ọlọ́run. Bàbá, àwọn fáǹsì rán mi sí yín. Nǹkan tó dẹ̀ ń dùn mí jù ni wọ́n fi rán mi sí yín. Wọ́n ní kí n sọ fún yín pé tẹ́ bá ti jáde, èmi náà dẹ̀ support ẹ̀. Ibi tó ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbààwẹ̀ 2 days, tẹ́ ń gbààwẹ̀ 3 days. Lábẹ́ bó tilẹ̀ ń kó mọ́ ní ọwọ́ tẹ́ wà yìí, ẹ má gba oúnjẹ jẹ lọ́wọ́ èèyàn kankan. Ó ti yé yín, ẹ má gba omi mu lọ́wọ́ anybody. Ẹ má gba apple jẹ, ẹ má even gan including gòrẹ́sì. Kó má dà pé mo wà sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan, mo ṣe sọ fún yín pé ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ mọ nǹkan tẹ́ máa jẹ, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ mọ nǹkan tẹ́ máa mu. Ẹ má jẹun ta mọ́. Ẹ ń gbààwẹ̀ àgbáyípo, àìmọye àwẹ̀ tẹ́ ń gbà. Ẹ má gba ẹ tẹ́ bá ti bọ́ síta nínú ilé yín, oúnjẹ tí ò ń ṣe ìyàwó yín ló prepare, ẹ má jẹ. Nítorí irú nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní last time yẹn, a fẹ́ kó repeat rẹ̀. A mọ̀ pé àwọn people yìí wọ́n ń ṣọ́ yín lọ́tùn lósìn, tán fẹ́ mú ìyá wọn, wọn ò ní rí wa mú. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bàbá, ní time tẹ́ wà yìí, ẹ̀yin là ń wojú ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin gan lẹ jẹ́ kí justice sì máa lọ. Because tẹ́ bá wá déta, tẹ́ wá lọ ń gba nǹkan jẹ, tẹ́ ń gba nǹkan mu, kò dáa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ń tọrọ Ọlọ́run bàbá, àní wá yín tì. So tí ó bá sẹ́yìn ni, kí la fẹ́ máa irú ṣó tá à ń ṣe lónìí àní máa ṣe. Ẹ̀yin lẹ dúró, ojú tó dẹ̀ ń ṣọ́ yín, ẹ̀yin náà kọ́ nínú orin ẹni ẹ̀ mọ̀ ta yín mọ́, ẹ̀ mọ̀ rẹ yín mọ́, lọ́mọdé lágbà náà wá ń kí yín nílé. Ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ ti mọ̀ yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹ trust, including me, èmi gan ẹ má trust mi. Ẹ má fi gbogbo ara dára dé mi. So bí tèmi ṣe máa jẹ́ ní nǹkan tèmi kàn fẹ́ bá yín sọ ni kẹ́pẹ́ fún wa. Ọlọ́run á bá yín gbogbo oróró òtún, Ọlọ́run á bá fi sọ́kàn rẹ̀. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ ní fojú sunkún ọmọ mọ́ láyé yín. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, ẹ ṣé gan. Yeah, bye. Thank you each. Mo lè kí gbogbo àwọn panelists. Ojú òní tí ẹ each kú àdúrótì. Mo appreciate it.
Yes, I should go, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Oloriabi, thank you for standing strong for justice for Mohbad. You are really a source of encouragement to every one of us. We really appreciate you. We will not be able to bring other people up, but before we go, Mr. Muiwa, you want to say one or two things, then we'll go back to Daddy Mohbad. Mr. Muiwa, you want to address us? You have any message for us? Thank you.
Mr. Muiwa,
Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for the support from the family of Aloba from the onset. We really appreciate every support that we've gotten. The Mohbad has already said it. He said, if you kill me, you can't kill all my family. Who are the family that Mohbad is making a reference to? It is everybody that is fighting for this justice. All what I'm telling the whole world is that we will not falter, we will not fail the whole world. It's a pity that Mohbad, 26-year-old boy, is catering for almost 15 people, including the second person, which is Wumi. None of them could come out and tell the whole world what actually happened in that house. It's a pity that that could happen, but be that it may, we will not relent until justice is done. Justice is gotten. Now, I want to tell the whole world concerning the issue of maybe DNA, issue of autopsy. Everything that need to be done is taken care of. There are a lot of things we can't be coming out to say, but just to assure the whole world that we will not fail you, if at any point in time in the course of this justice or in the course of whatever we are doing, and then we need to tell the whole world what they need to know concerning maybe DNA or concerning autopsy, we will come out. But at this present moment, all what we are doing is on cost. And then for what Baba has also said, that please and please and please, either you belong to team A, team B, team C, team D, and then you believe in justice for Mohbad, please let us stop the bashing of one another, and then let us remain resolute that this justice, we will get it. If every one of us have it at the back of our mind that the person we are fighting for, we want to get justice from Ilere Oluwa, and then justice for Ilere Oluwa is a justice for the youth of Nigeria, it's a justice for the youth of Africa, it's a justice for the youth of the whole world, it's a justice for the youth of black race. Because if what happened to Mohbad has happened in other clan, in other jurisdiction, in other clan, I don't think we will be where we are. But this is prone to Africa. This is prone to black race, and then we must stop it. We must stop it. We want to use Mohbad case as a stepping stone to banish the unjust they are doing to anybody in Nigeria. It is not a crime that if you come from a family that doesn't have money, you cannot get justice. We will use this medium to tell the power that be that enough is enough. It is justice for Mohbad, is justice for everybody, justice for the youth, justice for the children yet unborn. Either you are from a rich family or you are from a poor family. And then once again, I'm begging you in the name of God, if you truly believe in justice for Mohbad, please let us stop the issue of bashing ourselves. Please, I'm begging you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Muiwa, for that wonderful one. Baba Mohbad, before we allow you to address us finally, Tori, I want to join the one scene. We want you to talk again, to address the issue of Mr. Gregzy again, so that I want to join you one more minding towards it. Just help us address the issue, Mr. Gregzy and Mr. Muiwa. Who are they to you? What do they stand for? In this justice for Mohbad. Thank you so much, sir.
He's my blood brother. We're from the same mother. Let me just use that to just brief everything. And secondly, Mr. Gregzy is a family member. I call him like that because I saw a name with Ebimi. I mean my family, because he used to me, whatever I need is something. So he's the kind of someone that whenever I'm thinking over something, we just encourage me in a better way. So we shall really appreciate two of them. That's why I call them the three-angled. That's not like the soup. So mo ṣàdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn èèyàn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ wípé even mo wish pé ká ríra báyìí because mo fẹ́ kẹ́ jẹ́ interpreter fún mi because we interpret tó bá jẹ́ ọjọ́ mẹ́ta mi ní wáyé